Jane children, welcome back to our GK online class. Hope all are doing well. Today we will learn two lessons in our GK textbook, lesson 22 and 23. Dear children, take your GK textbook, page number 25, lesson 22, places worth seeing. My friend Tanmay is going on a world tour. He was surfing about famous monuments of different countries on the net. Surfing is the activity of moving from site to site on the World Wide Web. Monument is a statue or building that is of historical importance. He has taken the printouts of some of the worth seeing places but forgot to write their locations. Can you help him in writing the name of the countries of these monuments? Children, you should help Tanmay in writing the name of the countries of these monuments. Number 1. Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York in the United States. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York. NEWYORK. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York in the United States. Number 2. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It is located in the city of Agra in northern India. The monument is located on the bank of the Yamuna River. It is located in the city of Agra. AGRA. Number 3. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai, UAE. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. DUBAI. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. Number 4. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is located in France. Eiffel Tower is one of the most well-known structures in the world. Eiffel Tower is located in France. France. Number 5. Big Ben. Big Ben is the famous clock tower of London. Big Ben is located in London. LONDON. Big Ben is the famous clock tower of London. Number 6. Pyramids. Pyramids are located in Egypt. Pyramids are located in Egypt. EGYPT. Pyramids are located in Egypt. Number 7. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer is located in Rio de Janeiro. RIODEJANEIRO. Christ the Redeemer is a monumental statue located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Okay children, once again, the Statue of Liberty is located in New York. Number 2, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Number 3, Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. Number 4, Eiffel Tower is in France. Number 5, Big Ben is located in London. Number 6, pyramids are located in Egypt. Number 7, Christ the Redeemer is located in Rio de Janeiro. Did you know the Taj Mahal of India is among the modern 10 wonders of the world? It took approximately 22 years to complete it. Then, lesson 23, Feel Them, page number 27. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Which of the two is harder? Option A, log of wood. Option B, a sheet of paper. Children, which of the two is harder? Answer A, log of wood is harder. Number 2. Which of the two is more slippery? Option A, oil. Option B. Water. Children, which of the two is more slippery? Answer option A. Oil. Oil is more slippery. Number 3. Which of the two soaks up water or oil? Soak means make to become thoroughly wet by immersing it in liquid. Option A. Tissue paper. Option B. Adhesive tape. Which of the two soaks up water or soil? Answer is tissue paper. Option A. Tissue paper. Number 4. Which of the two can be folded? Option A. Paper. Option B. Stone. Which of the two can be folded? Answer option A. Paper. We can fold a paper. Okay children, write the answers in your GK textbook. Thank you.